Tenon, founded in 2011, is a famous high-tech enterprise in China, which is specialized in researching, production, and distributing smart door and smart locks. With more than 10 years manufacturing experience, Tenon, the national high-tech enterprise in China, is the first listed company. Stock code 833559 in the smart lock and door industry. Our company has over 300 employees with RMB 102 million registered capital. Our factory is located in Nansha District, Guangzhou, with a plant area of 15,000 square meters. We possess the dust-free SMT production workshop, laboratory, and R&D center that are the solid foundation of producing all circuit boards and hardware in excellent quality. The laboratory offers over 20 types of testing items. The production process strictly follows multiple quantity inspection procedures, from incoming materials to processing and factory release, to ensure the high quality of products. The enterprise standard for lock durability is 20 times that of China's national standard. For smart door, the daily output of smart door is 130 sets, and the annual output about 50,000 sets. Now we have advanced equipment such as CNC precision engraving machine, aluminum plate grinding precision machine, manual polishing machine, and so on. For smart lock, we have 9 automatic production lines. The daily output of electronic locks is 1,300 sets, and the annual output is 400,000 sets. Now we have advanced technology such as biological fingerprint techniques, secret key sensor, radio frequency fingerprint reader, MODIs, and so on. Meanwhile, we got CE, FCC trademark certificates, ISO certificates, and fireproof certificates. We are strict with ourselves and responsible for every customer. We offer single door on nickel double door and double door. As for the opening direction, you can choose between inward opening and outward opening. In terms of materials, our doors are available in aluminum and steel. Here is the M8 aluminum door equipped with an ML lock. The front of the door features cool lines, and it comes with 2 cameras. For access, it supports multiple unlocking methods, including facial recognition, pole vein recognition, fingerprint scanning, password entry, key unlocking card access, and app control. With the non-heavy solid core steel models, it ensures safety and reliability. Indoors, you can choose 5.5-inch or 10.1-inch HD screen, and also add an indoor camera to care for family members when you are out. The interior door can be matched with warm wood panels or carved aluminum plates. Here is the steel door M3. Both the front and back are made of steel, and all other functions are identical to the M8. We also offer customization options, allowing you to personalize the door seal, door lintel, patterns, and colors, meeting all your needs. We focus on smart locks. We have compact models suitable for European and American markets, such as the K10 Pro and K8. Additionally, we offer semi-automatic locks with handles like the E15 and T10. For those seeking full automation, we have the A9 Pro, A5 Pro, and other models. With a wide variety of styles and comprehensive functions, we also support OEM customization services to meet different needs. Tenon is looking for overseas distributor and agents. Any interest on our smart locks, please contact us.